Kamusta ba ang internet sa Siquijor and saan kami nag-book ng accommodation? Eto na guys, sasagutin natin yan. So originally, we booked through Airbnb pero na-cancel siya 7 days before our travel date because of payment issue. So we had to look for another place last minute. And guys, lesson learned, once you book your flight to Siquijor, book your accommodation agad-agad. As in, agad. Kasi punuan talaga siya, especially sa San Juan area. So, lahat ng magagandang beachfront and affordable stays, mabilis maubos, guys. And luckily, kahit 7 days before the travel date, nakahanap pa rin kami. And yung nakuha namin is around 15 minutes away from San Juan. So, hindi siya sa center ng mga bars and restaurants, pero sobrang tahimik, peaceful, and if gusto nyo ng party vibes and maraming tao, book within San Juan. But if okay lang kayo magmotor and you prefer quiet island life, mas okay yung 10 to 15 minutes away. And guys, nabook namin siya for only 10,000 pesos for 8 days. Now, internet review, kamusta naman? Mobile data, mahina, both Smart and Globe. May areas talaga na no signal, especially if nasa labas kayo or medyo liblib. Pero sa accommodation namin, naka-Starlink sila. So, mabilis yung internet connection. And guys, may power interruption talaga sa Siquijor. Pero sa experience namin, 30 minutes lang. And best part, may backup sila or generator sa accommodation. So, meron din silang rechargeable fan and even the Starlink, naka-backup siya. So kahit mawala ng kuryente guys, may internet pa rin. So if you're planning to go to Siquijor, especially if work from home kayo, make sure may backup power and good internet yung accommodation nyo. Again guys, book early at least 3 months ahead if gusto nyo ng prime location, tapos mura. So ayun guys, sana nakatulong.